Unai munini wa Musumbi Rigathi Gachagua niwavuthiisya Silikali kukonania mathooa ma Mauta va Kenya na wiola uendee kukusiiwa Kiaoni cha Straight Of Hormuz. Ayasya kana Mauta va Kenya ta maumaa kambunini sya unyaiikya wa Mauta sya gaf imwe kwa imwe itekwisila Kiaoni Kiu. Aina nandiki mauvo Gachagua ni watula mutima ofisa amwe anene nthini wa Silikali kwa kukenga Kenya kwisila mathooa ma oyu ma Mauta aikonania ki no lusani nthini wa Mauta matru kana kiki ukaitina woneni wa oyu mituki wa Minister wa Kenandu John Mbadi na wa Mwaki Opio wandai wa kukonania wambatu wa Mauta no vingi siku Kiaoni cha Straight Of Hormuz. Susan Kavili ena mauvo.
Gachagua ula wenda mbukani nthi ya United Kingdom ainena anu atula mutendongo inene serikalini kwa kukenga Kenya yulu kila kitumite Mauta mambata thooa haiweta kana Mauta ma Kenya mathooa kuma nthi sya Gulf na maisila kisioni kila kina thina cha Straight Of Hormuz.
We should not be told that we are having a challenge because of the Strait of Hormuz. Our fuel does not come from Iran. It doesn't go through the Strait of Hormuz. Our fuel is sold by ADNOC in Dubai and Saudi Aramco in Saudi Arabia. That is where the fuel is processed, and therefore this story that we are having a challenge because of the Strait of Hormuz is hot air.
Gachagua eweta kana kila kitumite thooa uambatani serikali kuongela koti kwa Mauta.
G arrangement is a business arrangement by William Ruto through Gulf Energy to fleece the people of Kenya. And the issue is not even the taxes. The issue is not the transportation costs. The issue is the landed cost of fuel in Kenya. As we speak today, the landed cost of oil in Matas petrol is 117 Kenya shillings and diesel is 167 shillings. We have information that is confirmed that in a G arrangement that has been negotiated with the companies that are selling oil to Kenya, in the landed cost of petrol, William Ruto pockets 30 shillings per litre, and in diesel he pockets 40 shillings per litre.
Gachagua ingi nuenda enengali alama tumia mitambo ya Mauta kusebya sindu kuliana na Mauta alau kueta ata mathuku na matonya kwa nangangali kana mitambo yo.
And I want to warn the people of Kenya, even if these prices are brought down, they must demand that this bad fuel must be removed from the market, because these vehicles will have a knock in a few weeks. Again, in terms of plant and machinery for our factories, this bad fuel will spell doom.
Kukonia Mauta ma Kenya alame kwinzwa kaunti ya Turkana. Gachagua nuaweta atave ulusani withitwe witwa iwana bala wa mutula muti President William Ruto kumanwa na ulusani o.
It's pure theft of a natural resource given by God to the people of Turkana, by William Ruto and Gulf Energy, to the disadvantage of the people of Turkana. Unfortunately, the people's representative, the members of parliament and the governor, with the exception of the senator, have been bought and compromised, and they cannot speak. We must therefore speak for the people of Turkana. These oil reserves have the capacity to produce enough money to change the lives of the people of Turkana, to build good schools, build good roads, sink dams, get water for irrigation and for domestic purposes, and change the lives of the people of Turkana forever.
Ngilivote ya bilingwa mauvo nitawa Susan Kavili.